to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this hair from Asteria hair. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is the box that the hair comes in, and it just says Asteria hair on the outside. This is the wig that I'm wearing. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 13x6 lace front wig. So if you guys were curious to why the front of my hairline looks lighter than my face, is because I did go ahead and wipe off my makeup. I like to wipe my makeup off before applying the lace in that area, just so that when I do wash off my makeup, the color tone doesn't look funny. So yes y'all, that's why my forehead looks a little bit funny, but I did take off my makeup. I don't want any makeup on my hairline when I am gluing down this wig. So I'm going ahead now and I'm just cutting off around the ears. And once I finish cutting off the ears, I'm gonna go ahead and split the hair in the middle. Guys, I really did over bleach this wig. I tried my best not to, and I still did. I completely forgot, but luckily it's not bad. It's kind of over bleached in the back, but the front part is very, very nice, so it's not noticeable at all. So only the back part really got over bleached. So now I'm pulling my cap down and adjusting it, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my lace glue. So this is a sample of my lace glue that I'm trying out. So I'm just going ahead and putting on one layer because it is pretty strong, and all it really needs is one layer. So once this layer is fully turned clear, I just go ahead and begin to apply the wig. So the lace was very nice, and as you guys can see, it melted in with my skin perfectly, and that's without the makeup. That is just bare skin. Unfortunately, I did not record myself doing the baby hairs. I thought that my phone was recording, but it actually wasn't, so you guys will miss out on the baby hairs. But I do have several tutorials on those same exact baby hairs, so please don't be too mad at me. I'm now going ahead and just beginning to part my hair. I'm going to be doing the side part today. So I'm going to take my hot comb, and you guys can see the little area that I did over bleach. But I'm going to go in with my hot comb, and I'm just molding the area out. And then we're just going to jump into the video. Alright you guys, so I just literally realized that the first half of my video was not recorded on my baby hairs, and as you can see, the baby hairs are done. So I'm really annoyed by that, but honestly, I've done these baby hairs a million times, but I was actually pleased with how they came out. So I was very annoyed when I went to cut my camera off after tying my hair, only to realize that nothing had been recorded. The thing I'm going to do is take my wax stick, and I'm just going to slick up the top. I can begin to lay flat. I'm going to take my hot comb, which is already turned up and hot, and as you can see, so now I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing the same thing, and I'm just going to be moving up in my parts. Yeah, so that's how I did this part. Now I'm going to go ahead with my hair all on my lips. Now I'm going to go ahead with this part and just part from here and continue out that same routine. And now we just hot combing out the top part. So it's a very easy. Very easy. Okay. So next thing that I'm gonna do now is I did kind of over bleach my knots right over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and repart it and try to get my knots under control. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a powder color. This is my Ruby Kiss color, and this is lighter than my complexion. I'm gonna take a small flat brush. Hold on. So I got this nice little, it's fluffy, but it's a flat brush. And I'm just gonna go in right here, and then I'm gonna follow out the part of right here. The hair on my lip gloss is doing it for me. Then I'm going to take my makeup hair mascara. This is like a regular mascara cheek from Essence, and I'm just now going to brush up on the hairs and basically dye the hairs with the mascara, just like that. So now you can see the parting separation a bit better. And then I'm going to go back in with the makeup one more time. And I'm just really going in that specific area. Just like that. And then I'm going to be taking my Slick'em Spritz. And I just spritz up that area. And then I follow in with my Sleek Mist Spray. And I do that. Take my hot comb, and voila. And now I just hot comb the area thoroughly one last time. And then yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go wet it up some just to bring it down. I'm not gonna over wet it, but I'm just gonna get it to a nice wetness, and I'm also gonna change it to something else so you guys can see the full look. Okay guys, so this is how it looks now that I have wet it up. I didn't really over wet it because I still wanted it to be a bit fluffy, and as you guys can see, it is super fluffy. The hair is very full. So another insight about this hair is I didn't even have to pluck it or nothing. All I had to do was bleach it. I bleached the knots and I washed it, and afterwards it came pre-plucked and everything. All I did was apply the wig on. It was very easy to put on. I didn't really have to do much plucking. I mean, I didn't pluck it off, so what am I talking about? So yeah, I'm wearing hair from Asteria Hair. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 32 inch or a 34 inch, but I will have the texture style, the length of the hair, and, excuse me, and the length listed on the website. I just wanted to show you guys what came inside the box. It did come with like this really cute scarf. I could have used this scarf to tie down my edges, but this is like a scarf that you can style. It came with another head wrap. It also came with like a Merry Christmas card. Even though Christmas is over, it came with like a little cute Christmas card. Oh, they have their own edge melt band. It came with a melt band. I could have used this to tie my hair down. Oh well. I wish I would have I did look in the box, but I swear I didn't see this. I could have used this melt band. But it came with a melt band, an edge brush, and also a baggie that just says Austria Hair to keep the hair in, and a wig cap. So far I will say that I did experience some shedding with it just now, but that was just my first time actually running my hands through it. So this is how it looks. I'll come up so you guys can actually see. And I am feeling it so far. It feels good, super soft. It's not tangly or too rough or anything like that. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how long it falls on me. All right, you guys, and on my belly. So this is how long it actually comes down. It goes like a way past my butt, so it is very long. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure you guys check out Austria Hair. I have worked with this company several times in the past and they never let me down. So make sure you guys check out Austria Hair. Check down the link below for all the insights and all the details on this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching.